Get the Marvel presents the structure of a Java program. Hey there, welcome back to Get the Marvel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome content, where I also upload the latest tech news to keep you updated on what's hot in the tech world. We're going to break down the structure of a Java program in a way that's super easy to understand. Whether you're just starting out or need a quick refresher, this video is for you. So, let's get started. Alright, let's break down the structure of a Java program. Every Java program starts with a class. Think of a class as a blueprint for objects. It's like the recipe for your favorite dish. Without the recipe, you can't cook, right? So, the basic structure of a Java program looks like this. Let's break this down. Public class MyFirstJavaProgram. This is the declaration of a class named MyFirstJavaProgram. You can name it whatever you want, but it should be meaningful and reflect the program's purpose. Public static void main string args. This is the main method. It's the entry point of any Java program. When you run your program, the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, looks for this method to start execution. System.out.println hello, world. This line prints hello, world, to the console. It's our first step in making the computer do something cool. Now, let's talk about some key concepts you'll encounter in Java. 1. Data types. Java has various data types, like int for integers, double for decimal numbers, char for single characters, string for sequences of characters, boolean for true-false values. These are like different ingredients in your recipe. You need to know which ones to use for your dish. 2. Variables. Variables are like containers that store data. For example, here, myNumber stores an integer value of 5 and myString stores a sequence of characters. Think of variables like this cup. You can put different drinks in it, but the cup itself is just a container. 3. Control structures. Control structures help you make decisions in your code, like if-else statements and loops. For example, this code checks if myNumber is greater than 0 and prints a message accordingly. To make things more interesting, let's look at a simple real-world example, a program to check if you can get a driver's license. Here, we declare a variable age and use an if-else statement to check if the age is 18 or older. And there you have it, folks. The basic structure of a Java program. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try writing your own programs and see how they run. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe for more coding videos and latest tech news. Until next time, keep coding. Bye.